make creamy beef enchilada casserole. We're going to start with 2 pounds of ground beef that put garlic powder and cumin and salt and pepper. And then we're going to throw 1 can of enchilada sauce over the top of that. Just pour the whole thing on in there, as well as a 10-ounce can of diced chilies. Sorry, I mean that, not 10 ounce, that was 4 ounce. This was 10 ounce. My bad. Now that we got that sorted out, we're gonna put in 1 cup of white rice, baby, over the top. And finally, 2 cups of beef broth. Just pour it on in there. Get that rice kind of stirred in so it's nice and submerged. You kind of stir everything around with a light stir. And once you get it all stirred in, you're gonna get some foil. Put it on there tight. We got the oven preheated at 350. We're gonna put in there for 45 to 55 minutes. And then we got the most important steps coming to make it nice and creamy. So stay tuned, y'all. All right, y'all, after about 45 minutes, go ahead and take that thing out. We got a couple important steps to go. All right, so go ahead and take your foil off. You see this thing's cooking nice. The rice should be nice and cooked. So at this point, we're gonna get this thing nice and creamy. We're gonna put in 2 cups of Mexican shredded cheese and 1/2 cup, which is half of this container, of sour cream. Get that on in there and then stir it around till it's nice and creamy and melted. And once you got it nice and creamy and melted in there, we're also gonna top it off with 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. So just throw that over the top. Once you got all your cheese in there, we're gonna put it back in the oven, uncovered, for another 10 to 15 minutes. All right, y'all. So after about 10 minutes or so, go ahead and take that bubbling beauty out. Set it down. And you wanna just let it rest for another 10 minutes or so, until it's nice and ready. Yum, look at that. Puppy. Looks like a hearty meal, y'all. Let's see how it tastes. Y'all, this is good.